Hello, here's Super Saiyajin Goto, and this is my first Dragon Ball Super video talking about characters. Today I'll be talking about Monaka. Monaka is apparently the strongest person whom Beerus has ever fought, placing his power above the likes of Super Saiyan God Goku, whom Beerus claims as the second strongest. Even after Goku and Vegeta's training under Whis and achieving greater power, Beerus still considers Monaka stronger. But the truth about Monaka is that he is weak. So weak. He don't have any transformations. You can see that everything about Monaka is a lie in 35th episode. And he was not God of Destruction before Beerus. Oh my god. Beerus is only God of Destruction in Universe 7. No one was before him. But the main reason I make this video is because most of the YouTubers don't get that Monaka is weak. Like they can't read between the lines. We said to Beerus, how long do you tend to hide Monaka-san's true colors? That means he is not strong. Read between the lines, oh my god. And by that I will end this video. I'll see you in the next Dragon Ball Super episode. Be sure to comment, like and subscribe.